here we have connected these two TSWs to a DMPS 200, and we have configured this HDMI 3 to a Roku. So we see Roku screen coming up. See, system is warming up. So we see Roku here. Now we'll just click on stop button here. So we see on the stop button has disappeared. These controls are still here. Now we'll go back. Now we'll click again and click on HDMI 3. Now first time we clicked stop button here. Now we'll click stop button on the other touch panel. So we see along with stop button, these all icons disappeared. Initially when we click stop here, the stop button disappeared and these all icons were present. But now when we click stop on this TSW, the action is different here.